Hey guys, so come with me as I take my husband on a fancy date. I saw this place nung pumunta kami sa Casbah and I thought I'm going to do a little bit of research about the place. So, dinala ko dito ang aking asawa. I didn't really expect it to be this fancy, but you know what? Deserved to ng asawa ko for all the things that he has done for me. I think it's my turn as well to treat him now that I earn my own money and I can literally give him gifts and take him to these kind of places. Ang sarap lang sa feeling na finally nagagawa ko na to para sa kanya. He is such an amazing provider. Never ako nakarinig ng kahit anong sumbat. Lahat ginawa niya para mapunan lahat ng pangangailangan ko. So now, it's my turn naman na i-treat naman siya. He deserves the best things in the world.